Wait, don't scroll. Can you introduce yourself in English confidently without sounding boring? If not, stay right here. In this episode, you'll learn how to talk about yourself naturally and make a great first impression, even as a beginner. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Fluent Mind language war. Today, we'll help you learn how to introduce yourself in simple, clear English, step by step.
Hi everyone. This lesson is perfect for beginners, A1 and A2 level. We'll practice short, natural sentences you can use in real life, school, job interviews, meetings, or making new friends.
Exactly. So let's begin. When you talk about yourself, you can follow this simple structure. Name, country or city, job or study, hobbies or interests, a fun or personal detail.
Let's start with your name. You can say, "Hi, I'm Rahul." "Hello, my name's Maria." "Hey, I'm Sam. Nice to meet you."
Good. That's the start. Now add where you're from. I'm from India. I'm from Brazil. I live in Tokyo.
Perfect. Combine them together like this. "Hi, I'm Rahul. I'm from India." Simple and smooth.
Now, let's talk about what you do. If you're a student, say, I'm a student. I study computer science. I'm learning English online.
And if you work, you can say, "I'm a teacher. I work as a designer. I work in an office."
Perfect. Now, let's add a few lines about hobbies or free time. I like reading books. I love playing football. I enjoy cooking. In my free time, I watch movies.
Yes, and you can add one fun fact or personal detail, something that makes your introduction interesting. For example, I have a small dog named Coco. I love traveling to new places. I enjoy learning new languages.
That's great. Now, let's put it all together in one natural introduction. Hi, I'm Rahul. I'm from India. I work as a software engineer, and I love playing guitar in my free time.
That's smooth and friendly. Let's do another one. "Hello, my name's Emma. I'm from Spain. I'm a student, and I enjoy cooking and reading books. Nice to meet you."
Perfect. These are real-life introductions you can use anywhere, class, work, or online.
Let's practice pronunciation together. Repeat slowly after me. "Hi, I'm Rahul. I'm from India. I work as a teacher. I love playing football."
Now, let's say it faster, more naturally. Hi, I'm Rahul. I'm from India. I work as a teacher, and I love playing football.
Nice work. The rhythm and tone are important. Sound confident, not robotic.
Now, let's add some extra expressions to make it sound even more natural. You can say, "It's great to meet you. I'm happy to be here. I've been learning English for 6 months. I'm really excited to meet new people."
Exactly. These little sentences make your introduction sound warm and friendly.
Let's do a mini conversation to practice introductions. Hi, I'm Arjun. What's your name?
"Hey, I'm Sophia. Nice to meet you."
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
"I'm from Spain. How about you?"
I'm from India. Are you a student or do you work?
"I'm a student. I study English and art. What about you?"
I work in marketing. I really enjoy my job.
"That's cool."
See, simple, friendly, and natural.
Exactly. That's how real introductions work in English.
Now, here's your challenge for today. Write or record your own self-introduction using this structure. Name, country, work or study, hobby, one fun fact.
Then, practice saying it slowly and again at a natural speed. The more you repeat, the more confident you'll sound.
And remember, you don't need perfect grammar. You need confidence.
If you enjoyed this lesson, follow the Fluent Mind Language War for more real English learning every week.
Thanks for learning with us. And remember,
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning.
see you next time.